For this demo, we are going to take an existing website that was created by a web developer using Photoshop, HTML and CSS. Note that this was not created using SiteGalore. In the next few minutes, let's see if it's possible to create such a beautiful website using SiteGalore and then run Google PageSpeed test to see the website performance. As you can see, there are lots of design templates available in SiteGalore. The best part is, even after creating a complete website, we can change the design template. Let us now choose this. Here we can customize the design template by changing the main image, company name and logo. First, let's change the main image. We can either upload our own image or search the image library. For example, let's search for senior as we are building a volunteering website. You can also see that they look beautiful. There are millions of stunning images in the library. Most times, user would like to use their own images. So let us upload our own image. SiteGalore gives us the power to choose exactly how our image should look in the home page for PC and mobile. As you can see, SiteGalore makes even an advanced feature so simple and intuitive. Here let us provide the text that we would like to appear on the top of the image. By the way, SiteGalore allows us to add any number of images to have a slider or carousel in the home page. And now that we have changed the image, next let's change the logo. We can put the organization name and the logo here. We can also put the email and phone number. Click submit. Now with our own logo and main image, the website looks exactly how we want. In just a few minutes, we have fully customized the design template to fit our needs. Now let us just select this and proceed to the next step. Here we can choose the pages that we want for our website. Sometimes people are not sure what pages to have in their website. So to make it easy, we have a list of the most common pages. We can simply pick the ones that we want. We can also add our own page names that we want on our website. Now let us submit. This is the website manager from where we can add content to the website and publish it live. Now let's add content to the home page. This is the editor screen to add content to the pages. Sometimes people find it hard to write their own content for their website. To make it easy, we have some ready-made content which can be used by making small changes. Here the toolbar provides standard controls like changing font, color and size to more advanced controls like line and letter spacing. We can add links, images and much more. Using the box settings, we can change the background color. If we want, we can put an image as background too. We can also position the image exactly where we want by moving it to the required position. For the website to look stunning, SiteGalore allows us to add the content in the most beautiful way possible. We can do this using sections. To make it really easy, the sections are well organized like pricing, products, photo gallery, contact us, etc. Depending on the type of content that we want to create, we can pick the relevant section and simply change text, images, links, etc. There are over 200 different sections available, so we can pick exactly the one that will fit us. Now let us add a section to show the organization profile and its activities. There are so many different options. This makes it possible for us to pick exactly the one that we want with round images in them. Now all we have to do is change the text and images. We will change the heading. Let's replace the image and put the relevant text in it. You will notice that the images that we are using are normal rectangular images, but they automatically appear round and beautiful exactly how we wanted it to be. Now that it's done, we can reorder them to the left or right using the grid editor. Also, if we need to add one more element, we can click on the clone column. Suppose we need to add a new row, we can clone the row. As you can see, the grid editor offers all the controls needed to add, remove, duplicate and move around the elements. Now let me create something totally different with a background image, text and a button. Let's replace the image with our own image. We will now put in our own text here. We can now change the button color. We can pick any color that we want for the button, or we can also pick one of the ready-made buttons from the many templates available. If we want, we can also make the button curved. We can see the changes instantly, so it's so much easier to work. We can then position the content exactly where we want so it aligns well with the image. Now let us add a contact us section with Google Maps in it. We can then copy paste our location from Google Maps so our map location appears here. We can then enter our contact details. Let us now add a YouTube video here. Let's click on the settings. Here we need to paste the YouTube URL and our video appears. This would work for any other popular video websites like Vimeo too. Now let us move the YouTube video to the top. Like this, the sections can be moved to any position we want anytime. Typography is another crucial design component. As we can see, there are so many options available for us. We can pick the one that perfectly fits our design needs, and in a single click, it gets applied throughout the page. Now that the page is ready, let's preview to see how the page looks on our website. If we don't like something, we can go back to change it. Let's now approve and proceed. Now let's go ahead and publish the website. For this demo, we will publish in a temporary URL, but in your case, it will get published to your location. Now let's run the Google Page Speed Test. The website gets 95%, which is very hard to achieve even for professional web developers. So in a few minutes, we were able to create a beautiful website that got top score in Google Performance Benchmark Test. Thank you.